Start with red and a 4.5mm hook. I'll be using blue instead. Start off by making 8 single crochets into a magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Pull the magic ring closed. I'll start by adding a stitch marker here. For round 2, single crochet increase into every stitch for a total of 16 stitches. I like to weave my end in while crocheting by placing the yarn tail behind my crochet hook. For round 3, increase single crochet all around. You should end with 24 stitches at the end of the row. Single crochet. Now repeat increase, single crochet 1, single crochet 2, increase, single crochet 1, single crochet 2, increase, single crochet 1, single crochet 2. You should repeat that for a total of 7 times, which will leave 2 stitches at the end unworked. In those 2 stitches, you will do an increase, then a single crochet. The reason for staggering the increases in this weird way is to make the end result more round and smooth instead of octagon shaped. You can see the written instructions at the top. For round 5, increase and single crochet 1, 2, and 3 all around. By repeating an increase single crochet 3 8 times total, you should end with 40 stitches at the end of the row. For round 6, we'll stagger the increases again. Start off with 2 single crochets, then repeat increase single crochet 4 7 times around. This will leave 3 stitches unworked at the end, in which you'll increase, then single crochet 2. For round 7, increase single crochet 5 8 times around. You should end up with 56 stitches at the end of the row. For round 8 through 13, you should single crochet around. This is a total of 56 single crochets for each row, and you should do 6 rows total. Every other row or so, make sure to count your stitches to ensure that you didn't accidentally drop or increase them. I'll fast forward the video here and meet you at the end of row 13 after 6 rows of single crochets. I'm back after round 13 and this is how it looks so far. Now is a great time to ensure that you have 56 stitches total before moving on. For round 14, single crochet 5, decrease. Repeat this 8 times. You'll end up with 48 stitches. I'm using the invisible decrease. This goes through the front loops only. For round 15, single crochet across. You should end up with 48 stitches again. If you want a strap, you'll have to crochet round 15 and 16 a little bit differently. Here's the beginning of round 15 for a strap. Single crochet 4. Now, chain 3. Working into the very next stitch, single crochet 24 across. I'll do the rest of the single crochets off camera. After the 24 single crochets, we'll chain 3. Then, we'll single crochet 20 starting right in the next stitch. That'll be the end of round 15 for the strap. For round 16, we'll go back to staggering. Start with 2 single crochets, then repeat a decrease, single crochet 4, 7 times. This leaves you 4 stitches at the end, in which you will decrease, then single crochet 2. You should end up with 40 stitches at the end of the row. If you want the strap, you'll have different instructions for row 16 again. You'll start off by single crocheting 2, 1, 2, and then you'll decrease. Next is the chain 3 space. I'll pull the chain 3 to the back and ignore it, and go straight into single crochet 4 starting in the very next stitch. Single crochet 1, single crochet 2, single crochet 3, single crochet 4. This way, the back has the chain 3 space, which you can easily put a lobster hook into. This is what the front looks like. I've skipped forward, but continue to repeat a decrease, single crochet 4 until you reach the next chain 3 space. There should be 2 stitches, enough for you to do a decrease. Again, hold the chain behind so it's not in the way, then go into the very first stitch. Finish up the end of the row and you'll end up with 4 stitches at the end. You'll decrease and single crochet 2 in those 4 stitches. For rounds 17 to 19, we'll single crochet across. This is a total of 40 single crochets in each row, and we'll do this for a total of 3 rows. I'll finish the rest of these single crochet rows off camera. Here I'm finishing up row 19. Here I'm I'm flipping my pouch inside out, but you don't have to do the same. It's just easier to work with on camera. For row 20, continue crocheting normally, single crochet 2, then increase single crochet 4, repeated 7 times. The last 3 stitches will be taken by an increase and 2 single crochets. I'm still crocheting inside out, so don't get confused by it. Here I'm flipping my pouch right side out again. It's now back to normal and how yours should look. For row 21, single crochet in the first stitch. In the second stitch, half double crochet and double crochet. In this third stitch, double crochet and then half double crochet. You'll single crochet into the fourth stitch. Repeat this all around. Single crochet in the first stitch, half double crochet and double crochet into the second stitch. Double crochet and half double crochet into the third stitch. And single crochet into the fourth stitch. You'll want to repeat this ruffle for a total of 12 times, so 10 more. At the end, you should end with 72 stitches. At the end of the row, take out your stitch marker and slip stitch into the first stitch. Now, fasten off and weave in your end. That's the end of the bomb pouch.